Yeah, these are. All right, this is gonna be the elevator at one of the 70's buildings at the Disney Pop Century Resort.
Yeah, same. I'm charging mine right now.
These ones actually have the regular Series 2 call button.
Here it is.
Here it is. I'll just take one ride on this one. Oh, whoa.
Thank you.
No problem.
I wonder what he does now, Joseph.
Oh, different brailles on this one. Regular Fujitec brailles. Look at that. And these buttons are sticky. Here we go. Not sure which building. This is a 70's building. Not quite sure which one, but we'll find out on the way out. There's your call button. And we'll go back down. Original button here.
Wow, it's hot in these.
Yeah, they are hot. But as I say, this is what Florida's like. It's basically summer all year round here.
Outside. It's hotter than these.
I know, but still.
Because
Sometimes during the winter it's 90 degrees here. But fortunately not this winter, but it's not, you know, snowing. It hasn't in a long time.
Because the sun's facing directly on the earth with the south part.
Yeah, but let's see, on the way out before I end the video, I'll figure out which building this is. But yeah, this is one of the 70's buildings. There it goes.
Building
Building
A.
8?
Building A.
A. There might be a sign out here. Well, there's a lookout. Beautiful property. That's building 10. I'm gonna assume this might be building 9, I guess? I don't know. 6? Okay. Well, that's gonna be it.